Pink soft lips are often sign of good hydration, proper care, and healthy skin habits. Factors like sun exposure, dehydration, smoking, and harsh lip products can make your lips look dark or dry over time. In this video, I'm sharing a gentle home remedy that helps nourish lips, improve softness, and support a natural healthy lip tone using ingredients easily available in your kitchen. This remedy focuses on moisturizing dry lips, gentle exfoliation, and improving the appearance of your lip texture. So, feel free to watch the entire video from the beginning up the end and invite your friends on this YouTube channel, Coach Uganda. It means if you're on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, for such amazing home remedies, go to YouTube, look for Coach Uganda YouTube channel and subscribe. Remember, I come from Uganda. So for soft pink lips, you need this amazing home remedy. Let's go to our preparation. I'll come back and I tell you more about this home remedy, when to use it and how to use it after knowing the preparation. You need natural honey. Natural honey is supposed to be natural. No added sugar, no added chemicals. So get natural honey whereby you are sure that it's natural. Okay? Remember, natural honey contains minerals and vitamins which will help you to get pink lips. So from that, we need only 1 teaspoon of natural honey. It can be a glass, it can be a cup, it can be anything you feel like whereby you can prepare your home remedy at home. So if you need soft pink lips, my dear, this is the amazing home remedy you can use at home. You need only 1 teaspoon as I told you. Remember, this home remedy, no side effects and doesn't have overdose. So for your pink lips, you need such amazing home remedy. Don't forget to subscribe, invite your friends to my YouTube channel. And of course, we can be friends on TikTok, Facebook, Coach Uganda as usual. Now, after getting our teaspoon of natural honey, we need also another ingredient. Remember, this home remedy will give you very soft pink lips without using chemicals, without spending a lot of money. Now from there, we need also sugar. Your sugar can be white in color or can be brown in color. Remember, we have 2 different types of sugar. So you need also another 1 teaspoon. Only 1 teaspoon, guys. Here you go. Yes. Don't forget to subscribe, to invite your friends to my YouTube channel, Coach Uganda, and of course to share this video to your friends so that other women can have a chance to get to know how to get soft pink lips in just few days. Yes, because at the end I'll tell you how and when you're supposed to use this amazing home remedy at home for your pink lips. So the next ingredient is coconut oil. Okay, coconut oil, you're going to add only a half teaspoon. But remember, if you don't have coconut oil, you can use also olive oil. But right now, I have coconut oil. But for you, if you don't have coconut oil, you can use also olive oil. This amazing home remedy will give you soft pink lips. Remember, this video is for educational purpose only. So, for soft pink lips, you need such amazing home remedy at home. We need also 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. So guys, here we go. This is enough. Now you're going to mix very well. Trust me, for soft pink lips, sugar, yes. Coconut oil or olive oil and natural honey, you'll be shocked. Now here is our home remedy. So I'm going to tell you when and how to use such amazing home remedy for you to get soft pink lips. This home remedy is for soft pink lips. It means if you have been yearning for soft pink lips or to get soft pink lips, you have been admiring your friends who have soft pink lips, my dear, here we go. Starting from today, no crying for soft pink lips. Remember, this home remedy, you just need your ingredients from your kitchen. They're very cheap, they're easy to get. So, I want you, before I tell you how to use this home remedy, when to use it, if you're on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, for such amazing videos, go to YouTube, look for Coach Uganda YouTube channel and subscribe. Remember, on YouTube, I always tell you how to make such amazing home remedies like this one. Men are welcomed, even ladies, because I always upload videos for both men and women. So, go to YouTube and subscribe. Okay? Now, if you're on YouTube, please like this video, leave a comment in the comment section, and of course, don't forget to invite your friends to my YouTube channel. So, how are you going to use this home remedy to get soft pink lips? Now, I want you, before applying this home remedy on your lips, make sure that your lips are clean and dry. Okay? Are clean and dry. Then from that, get a little amount of your remedy like this one, apply it on your lips, and then scrub your lips gently in circular motion for 2 minutes. For 2 minutes. From that, leave that remedy to stand on your lips from 5 to 7 minutes. Please don't exceed 7 minutes. Then, after 5 or 7 minutes, use lukewarm water to clean your lips. Okay? Lukewarm water to clean your lips. Don't use hot water. Now, for good results, I want you to repeat that procedure 3 days in the week. Please, 3 days in the week. Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Don't exceed 3 days in the week. Trust me, in 4 weeks, those are 12 days. Stop crying for soft pink lips. Stop yearning for soft pink lips. Only this will give you soft, nice looking pink lips. No side effects. Trust me. Remember, this video is for educational purpose only. I come from Uganda. See you again to the next video. Bye-bye.